how to set back tap or double tap to open Control Nearby Devices screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, scroll down and tap on Touch. Then scroll down again and tap on Back Tap. In here, tap on Double Tap or Triple Tap. So I'm going to select Double Tap. Now scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Control Nearby Devices. Once that has been selected, you can double tap at the back here to open up Nearby Devices. So double tap on it again will close the Nearby Devices screen, or it will turn it back on. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.